Have you spent months or years caring for a parent, a spouse, maybe even a child, and it changed everything? You've learned more about doctors and hospitals and helping people with their medicines, and you've done over long nights more than you ever wanted to know. You're also exhausted, you're wiser, and now maybe that season is easing up, or maybe it's ended, or maybe you're still in it. And you're asking, what can I do with all this? What can I do with all this that I learned? And did I just go through it and now it disappears? The truth is, your caregiving experience is incredibly valuable. There are thousands of new caregivers waking up every day scared, not knowing how to move forward, not knowing enough about doing things. And they would pay gladly someone like you to help guide them through it. Today, I'm going to show you how people over 50 are turning what they know through their hard-won caregiving experience into simple online services and small support groups. This way, you can end up with a steady $500,000, several $1,000s a month from home, and know that you went through it in a way that now makes it someone else's road a little bit easier. So you can earn a steady $500,000, $2,000 a month from home, and knowing that what you went through is now helping someone else with their road and making it easier. Hey, I'm Jerome in Boise. I am a business coach for people over 50, and I focus on helping people with an online income. And I can help you turn what you already know, your life experiences, your skills, your hobbies, your passions, your caregiving experience, into remote, reliable, recurring income. So let's talk about how your caregiving experience and that season of doing that can be more than just a difficult memory. Here's what most caregivers never hear. You didn't just help out. You earned a degree. You earned a degree in real life. Think about what you know now that you didn't know before. How to talk to doctors so they actually listen. What questions to ask in those rushed appointments. How to track meds, symptoms, and changes. How to deal with bills and insurance and paperwork. And how to keep going when you're scared and you're tired. You learned all of that by living it. And while you were doing that, you may have thought, I wish somebody had told me all about this before I started. That sentence right there, I wish somebody had told me this. That's the sentence that tells you that there is an offer here, a way to help other people through their situations, through the caregiving they have to do. And you can share what you know and share what you've learned and charge them a modest fee for doing that and create a nice remote income for you, you and your family, you and your retirement, you and all the things that you want to do in your life. Because right now, there's a caregiver out there somewhere, panicking in a hospital hallway, staring at a stack of bills and paperwork and phone calls to return, Googling at 2 a.m. and trying not to cry. They don't need more articles. They need a real person like you who's been there, who's been through all of that. And that person is you. So let's talk about 3 ways you can turn your experience into income. You don't have to be a therapist. You don't have to be a nurse. You're simply a guide and a friend with a flashlight, giving them a bit of a path in the darkness that they're working through sometimes. You could do a first 30 days caregiver starter session. This is for someone who's just starting out. They've just gotten to a situation where they have to be a caregiver. You can offer a 60 or 90-minute Zoom, or you can use Meet, Google Meet, which is free. And that's what I try to do. I try to give people like you as many tools that are either low cost or no cost. And you can help them get organized, get the meds list, get the doctor's list, get important contacts, and get prepared for the next appointment. You can decide what to track daily, pain, their mood, sleep, appetite. And you can set up a simple routine so they don't burn out in week 1. And you know all about that. You can include a printable checklist that you wish you had, a 1-page questions for your doctor sheet. You can make a simple daily log template for them. And you charge a flat fee, say $147 for this session, plus the resources that you give out. And if you do that for 7 people, guess what? There's $1,000. Number 2, you could create a caregiver calm, or a caregiver club, or a caregiver support group. Because caregivers don't just need more information, they need a place to exhale and learn from you. You can host this tiny online group, 8 to 15 caregivers. Maybe you do that twice a month. Each call has a simple theme like talk to doctors without freezing, dealing with guilt and anger, how to ask a family for more help. And you share that, what worked for you and what didn't. You let them ask questions. You give them permission to be human, and you charge between, say, $27 and $47 a month. With 25 members, around $37, $40 a month. That's $975 a month. Now that's what I call the 3 R's. Income that's remote, reliable, and recurring. Built up around support you may have given away anyway. And these people will hold you dear because you are helping them through what they're going through with their families and with that person and so on. So is this making sense? Do you see how you can take what you know, what you've learned, and share it with others and help them? And they will gladly pay you for that because they're going in blind like you did. But now you can share what you know. So let's talk about number 3, some kind of caregiver binder setup service. Some people need structure more than anything else, and you can give them a caregiver binder. It's one live video, or you could use a Google Meet, which is free. One live session where you help them set up things to be organized. A med section, a doctor's and appointment section, insurance and bills, daily notes, emergency information. You give them a PDF that they can then print out with all the sections and put it into a binder. You show them how to keep it updated without going crazy. And you charge, say, $97 for the setup and the templates. So now you're starting to see not just 1 or 2, but 3, maybe more different kinds of income you can create as a caregiver who's going and gone through all these experiences, and now you can help other people. And you can turn these templates into tiny digital products or a bonus for your group. And now, are you seeing the pattern in all 3 of these? You're not promising a cure. You're promising clarity, calm, and a plan. And people will happily pay you. So here's the practical thing. This is really, really great and really important right now. So how do you get started with this idea? Down below, you can join my school if you want to. You'll see a link down there. It's an online platform that helps people over 50 create an income from what they already know. So if that's helpful, down below you'll see the link. Come on in. There's 7 days. You can try it out. No charge. And the monthly charge is really modest. And because I want to help as many people as I can do this kind of thing with what they know. So let's talk just for a couple minutes about how do you get started? Where's that very first step? Grab a notebook. And I tell everybody who takes any of my courses, you've got to have a notebook. Why is that? You can't remember it all. And if you're taking a course or a class or you're learning from me or others, you need to write this stuff down. Somebody once told me that the thinnest pencil can be smarter than the thickest brain, and it's really true. So what I want you to write down are these 3 questions. I wish somebody had told me this. I wish somebody had shown me this. For example, I wish someone had told me how to talk to doctors. I wish someone told me to write things down every day, like I'm telling you. I wish someone told me that this was going to be exhausting and how to ask for help. That's the beginning of your curriculum. That's the beginning of your content. The next step is pick the one thing that you think would make the biggest difference in someone's life in their first month as a caregiver. That may be the starter session. That might be the tiny support group. Don't complicate it. Just have one offer, one simple offer. We can add more down the road. We want to get started with one. That helps you stay focused. And here I am over 60, and boy, it has taken me a long, long time to learn how to stay focused, like making this video for you. So that's where we start. And number 3 is you start with your first 5 to 10 caregivers. A text, an easy email, people at church, friends you know that are going through this, local Facebook groups, your own friends and family. We all know there's so people going through all of this right now. And you can reach out and say, hey, I have been going through this caregiving journey, and I'm starting a small online support group to help people get organized and feel less alone, especially in their first month. I'm looking for my first 5 to 10 people in my first group with a founding cost of $47 or $147. Depends on what you want to give away. So you can go the group route, or you can go the single person route, or you can go both. You know, you can have 1 or 2 clients a week on the single person route who pay you $147 a month for your help. And then an hour a day, once a week, you can have a small support group. But right there, it's going to be a couple $1,000s a month for you. Because you've had that experience, because you've helped so many people out, because you were there in those crazy hours, and you've learned so much. And now it's time to take all of that, share it with others, have a very affordable charge for that, and help them, and they will gladly pay you. So if you're over 50 or 60 and you're serious about turning your caregiving experience or any of your skills or hobbies or passions or work experience into a remote, reliable income, I have built a community where we walk this out together. We work on your offer, we work on your pricing, we work on your first clients, and the simple tech to run it from home. And I'm there with you every step of the way. You'll see a link down below this video. Click it, take a look. I think it'll feel right. I'd be honored to help you with this hard season that you can turn into helping others and create some steady income for yourself. If this is speaking to you as a caregiver right now, or maybe you were a caregiver in the past, you went through something incredibly hard, you don't have to let that wisdom fade away. Let it pay you, let it help somebody else, and let it give you a little more peace, financial peace each month. I'm so glad that you saw this. Thank you for all the caregiving experience that you have pulled together by helping somebody else out. And if you want some help, you want to join my community, my school community, right down below is a link. You can check it out. Check me out for 7 days. I think you'll find it incredibly valuable to help take whatever skill, whatever caregiving experience, whatever hobby, whatever passion you have, and turn it into regular, remote, reliable income. And so I'll see you on the inside.